This is Shane with the EWWW Image Optimizer, and today I want to answer a question we get asked quite a lot, and that is, why can't I see the WebP images working on my site? Well, it's because you're not looking in the right place, right? Of course not. So let's show you where to look, right? So in this case, we've enabled EasyIO, which automatically does WebP. No more things to do. But otherwise, if you didn't use this, say, let's turn this off, and you did WebP conversion, and then you picked a delivery method, either the server-based rules, which we could insert here, or the JS or picture rewriting options. We could do that. Sometimes caching messes with the WebP self-test. So here we refreshed, and now we can tell it's working. This is just caching. So with any of those server-based methods, so let's say you use that, or again, if you're using EasyIO, those work a little differently than JSWebP and Picture WebP. With those, you see the WebP in the URLs, and you go, "Oh yeah, that's a WebP image. It has WebP in it in the URL." But these guys, not so much. So let's reload our page and have a look. How do we know? So we right-click and inspect, and here's what we normally look at, and we go, "Oh, it's still a ping. Oh, what's going on?" Well, maybe not. Hold on. So what we got to do is go over to the Network tab, right-click, inspect, Network tab, and we reload, and this will show all the stuff on our page. Well, that's too much stuff, 130 things. Good grief. But we go over to the images, and here we can see the type. And here we can see, oh, look at that. It's a WebP, 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 and all these have been converted to WebP. And so that's how we confirm that, yes, we do in fact have WebP images on our site. And as we scroll back up, it loads in the other images, and ta-da, they're all using WebP. Now there are cases where WebP doesn't happen. If you're using EasyIO and you see this exactdn.com, or if you have a custom domain, you see that domain, and you're not seeing the local domain, right? And you're still not seeing WebP, it's because WebP isn't good enough for that image. Either the image is already really low quality and so it's really highly compressed, or WebP just is struggling on that particular image for some reason. If you're using EasyIO, WebP is always on unless you turned it off. And you'll see that with this loss equals 1 flag. As long as you don't see loss equals 0, it should be WebP. The two ways you could have turned that off is, one, enable ludicrous mode, and there's this premium compression option. If you turn that off, that turns off WebP and AVIF. And this link that gets you over to here, which is where you can manage those separately. So if you have premium compression and you don't want WebP or AVIF, you just want premium JPEG compression, well, you can do that too. And so we go over to our managed sites page, our EasyIO sites, and here's the demo site, and you can turn off WebP, AVIF, you can do whatever you want there. But no matter what, if this guy is not checked, you will get no WebP and no AVIF. Hope that all makes sense. Have a great day and happy optimizing.